Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the format and initiating the first throw immediately. Start a 301 or 501 game and state the turn order so there's no delay. Once done, announce your opening score and log it in your Notes app. That prevents disputes later. You should also set a 30 to 60 second turn timer. This keeps tempo and prevents overthinking. Make sure to confirm double out rules aloud so every finish is valid and everyone knows what counts. You now focus on consistent, percentage-based choices and clear reporting. Aim for treble 20 for maximum points and switch to treble 19 when opponents or luck block your path. While you play, update the running total and call out your recommended target for your next throw so both players follow the plan. Once you get inside finish ranges, prioritize leaving a double you hit reliably. Make sure your messages state exact scores and targets to avoid You finish by committing to a practice double and clearly announcing your intent before you throw. That reduces hesitation and errors. After the closing throw, immediately post the final score and a brief confirmation so both sides accept the result. If any disagreement appears, take a screenshot and resolve it quickly. Should iMessage lag or messages arrive out of order, switch to a quick call or send a one-line confirmation to preserve the game state and prevent disputes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.